Me $179 and $1 million shipping. This is obviously not true. He did get one part of it right though. This toy is $1, but the shipping is free, not $1 million. Unless you live on Jupiter or something. Got this for about 98 cents with free shipping. Honestly, it's been really good. My fingers are so fast now. My girlfriend loves this thing. The discount they got on this thing right now is insane. Not gonna lie, somebody might lose their job over this. I have no idea if this is a glitch or if someone typed in a number wrong. I don't know how much longer this is gonna last. This thing is perfect if you want to improve your hand-eye coordination, your finger speed, or your reaction time. Or if you just want a time killer. I mean, look at how satisfying this thing is. This might literally be the best deal on the TikTok shop. I'm gonna link this right there to get this with free shipping. Don't listen to this liar. And for literally less than the price of a water bottle. Even if you don't want one for yourself, get one for somebody else. This is the cheapest gift that you're gonna find, and you know kids are gonna eat this thing up.